How to choose good wheel bases for BMW 3 Series. When choosing wheel bases for BMW 3 Series, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality wheel bases must be made of good material. The industry recognized material for BONOSS wheel bases is aluminum alloy. Usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6261T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than cast ones, mainly in terms of precise strength, yield strength, and proof flow data.
The lightweight class of BONOSS wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%.
The hollow alloy design of these BONOSS forged wheel spacers effectively reduces the weight and energy consumption, improve handling while ensuring safety and reliability. The advantage of choosing BONOSS BMW 3 Series wheel spacers is that the hot and dicing process on the surface of the material brings better corrosion resistance and prevents rusting.
Installing wheel spacers on BMW increases the clearance by mounting between the hub assembly and the wheels, which will move outward due to the fixed position of the hub assembly. Wheel flush with or protruding from the fender will give a more visually striking stance and appearance. When installing wheel spacers, the factory wheel bolts are not long enough. We need to use extended wheel bolts. The original wheel bolts are usually of grade 10.9. However, BONOSS aftermarket extended wheel bolts reach ISO standard grade 12.9, with a 12-panel shape on the top of the wheel bolts, which proves the super forging process.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS BMW wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.